Dear friend, welcome to my channel Gemini Architecture, and today topic is Dialux. In Dialux, I will teach you how to add facade element in your windows. So this is my window and this is facade element. Here is the icon of facade element. First of all, you just place the window, then after you just use facade element. Okay, there is 4 to 5 kind of facade element. First, I go to the select. This is called external venetial blind. Okay, external means outer side. You just click on this one, double click. Okay, select your window and add facade system. Now you see this is this system is add on your window. Okay, this blinds. Okay, now here is the option up and down. Okay, if you go to up, see that is open. Sorry, this is open. Go up, this is open, and that is close. Okay, there are other option is also there, which kind of glass you require. There is lot of type of glass type of. There is 3 type of solar glass. Okay, and heat, the double heat insulation glass for protect for the heat. Okay, if you select this one, so your glass will be changed. Okay, now go to the next option. This is external. Now go to the next option. This is called internal roller blind. So select this one and go to inside here. Now my position is inside. Okay, now go to add facade. Okay, now my facade is add, that is close, and that is up. Okay, this is the second option, and you also change glass types of glass what you require, single glazing, double glazing, you select from here. Okay, now move to the third option, internal venetial blind, that is come inside. Okay, click this one and add facade element, click initial roller blind. Here is the option. Okay, now up and down. See. And you also change the glass of type, and thickness is this one, glass thickness is this one, and this thing roller thickness is this. Now go to the this one external. Okay, this is external outside. Okay, select this one external. Okay, add facade element. See, this is open and this is close. If you want to change the glass type, you also change the glass type, double glaze. Okay, so this is the option how to add facade elements in your window. Basically that is add in windows only. Okay, if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest information about new videos.